Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Tech It's Simple channel. In this tutorial video, I will guide you on how to share a Google Drive. But before getting started, let's have some information about Google Drive. Google Drive is a popular cloud-based storage service that allows you to store, share, and collaborate on files with ease. So, to get started, please make sure you have a stable internet connection. First, go to the Google Drive application. You can see this kind of screen interface on your device. Tap on the three horizontal dots on the right side of the file that you want to share. Here, you can see various options which are related to this file. Then click on Share. On General Access, click the down arrow. Choose Anyone with Link to decide what role people will have. Select Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. If you select Viewer, the person can only view it. If you select Commenter, the person can view and comment on it. However, if you select Editor, you will give them access to edit that file. Then click here to see the link. Now, you are ready to share. Paste the link in an email or any place you want to share it. So, this is how you can easily share a Google Drive. If you found this tutorial easy and helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And also press the notification bell so you do not miss any updates from us. Meet you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.